In this video I'm going to share with you a very simple yet very powerful process in order to predict the highest probability moves in any market. The tool that I'm about to share with you will give you an edge no matter what market you're looking to invest in or trade. And if you watch my previous video on how to have an edge as a trader, this is going to be the next step for you. This is going to show you how to apply that edge to any market. So let's get stuck in. Alright, so if you're familiar with my style of investing, you know I use screeners all the time. We're going to be using the brand new Forecaster Quantum Screener for this particular video. And the reason being is because this new feature is going to be a game changer for you. You know, if you're investing in stocks, you need to understand financial statements, quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis. You need to understand how to build a story around a good entry, and then you need to ideally time the best place to get in and get out if you're trading them. Well, this is going to remove all that for you, and this is actually going to give you the highest probability of when to get in and when to get out. So let's dive in. First of all, you can see the brand new Quantum Screener tool here. What this actually does is it compares seasonality to actual current price action, and then it will give you a correlation score based on the previous historic data to tell you when is the highest probability to get in and out of any different market. So let me show you an example. Right, so let's just go down to indexes, for instance, and I'm just going to pick one of these indexes here. So let's just say the FTSE MIB index here, right? So you can see that it's got an 80.62% correlation score over the last 25 years with a 64% win rate. Average return between this period and this period would be a 6.3% return. But let's click and dig a little bit deeper to show you some more insights here, the way we can tighten up that score, right? So this is the period that it's selected, but if we just drill down to the best possible move from today until the 22nd or 21st of September at the time of this recording, now you can see the correlation score's 81%, right, which is great. If we go short, you can see we've got an edge here, right? So an average return would be a 4.4% return, and that's 60% correlation over the last 25 years. But what's really interesting is if we go down to the daily average, you can see that on, what's today? Today is the 9th. You can see that on the 12th we have a 57% correlation. So over the last 25 years, 57% of the time has been short on the 12th day. And if we go down to the weekly, you can see that we've got a 57% short on the Thursday. So we can actually drill down and develop an edge on a market like this, knowing that if we just went short every Thursday on the 12th day of the month, over time we would be profitable. And if you go and check out my last video on how to have an edge in trading, you'll know how powerful that stuff can be. Let's just take a look at another example here, and we'll go to a Forex market. So if I go to the Forex market, you'll see that the dollar yen here has a 94.91% correlation over 25 years. So if we click on this one, and obviously if you look at the correlation chart here, and you can drill out all the seasonalities on this. If you haven't seen my video on seasonality using this tool, you can go and check that out as well. But if we drill down on this, let's just say that we pick the next month, right? So we're going from early September to mid-October, end of October time. You can see we've got 94.91% long. There's a 60% correlation over 25 years with a 2.4% average return. And if we go down to the daily and weeklies, you can see if we're going to get long here, there is a 67%, in fact there's an 82% on the 10th day of the month, of this month, over 25 years, 82% of the time that was long. And if we drill down, you can see that all of these are above 50%. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is a short day, but Friday is a 63% long. So basically most of the week you can almost throw a dart at that, and as long as it's on this day or over these next couple of days, you're going to have an edge in the market. This is a really powerful tool, and if you are the sort of investor that just doesn't really want to know the ins and outs of every market and every stock, you can just develop an edge using this tool. So I'm going to be doing lots more videos on this, and if you want me to dig deeper into the features and break down some of this stuff, let me know in the comments of this video right now. Pause the video, go and say Forecaster, and I'll do a whole series on this, and I'll drill into every single feature that this has to offer so that you can have a huge edge in your trading and investing. So highly recommend, if you're interested in this stuff and you're taking it seriously, go and open a forecaster account. I'll put the links in the description for this. Go and play around with it and let me know what you think.